They did. Look, 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 look. Woo. What's up, Candi Crew?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candice, and today y'all is going to be something real simple. So I'm going to do a slick back wash and go where, you know, the front is slicked down, then you just have your wash and go just flourishing and doing what it do in the back, you know. So I'm just going to do that on camera for you guys today. So yeah, it's really simple. The main reason why I'm recording it is because I actually have to do a sponsored post on Instagram for this brand, and this is the style that I wanted to do for that picture, and I just decided to go ahead and record it, honey. You know, go ahead and knock two things out at one time, two birds with one stone, you feel me? So if I can do the YouTube video and my Instagram post, I'm good. So I did go ahead and wash and condition my hair. For this wash and go, I'm using all Treluxe products because that's who my sponsor post is with Instagram. So I did go ahead and shampoo and condition. So now I'm just going to do my little wash and go thing, you know. So I have the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Creme. So I'm going to do that first, and then I'm going to top it with the High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel. So these two will be my styling products for today. So yeah, like I said before, this isn't like a whole head of or anything like that, even though this mostly is a whole head of Treluxe products on my head. But this not going to be like a review of the products or anything like that, or how to do a wash and go. It's basically just how to do this simple style. So I'm thinking this video is going to be short. Alright, so as you see, my hair is looking good right now. It's looking good, girl. Good, girl. Also, I forgot to say, I do have the shampoo and conditioner, but I also have their curl serum thing in my hair as well. I went ahead and applied all of that in the shower while my hair was soaking wet. Okay, so soaking wet is the key, okay? That's why I apply it in the shower. But yeah, so now let's go ahead and get into styling, honey, styling. So let me get this cream. Y'all, this cream is thick, honey, thick. You gotta use your whole mouth when you say it, thick. Sorry, y'all, I got a phone call. Now, I don't remember what I was gonna say or what I was even talking about. But okay. Anyway, I'm about to go through with this hydrating cream. Y'all, my hair feels good. It feels good. It feels good, girl. It feels good. If y'all do end up buying these products, make sure you let them know it's because of me, honey. So I can get some more coin, okay? You know, I'm trying to grow. I'm trying to grow. We want to make this a business. Okay, but yeah, so look at that. Is it going to focus? Look at that thickness. It's thick, but not too thick. It's like nice and creamy. Okay, y'all, I don't know why I'm kind of so hyped right now, but I am. But yeah, let me just put this through, rake this through. Let me do a little bit more. Then I'm gonna go through with the gel. Now, one of these I'm about empty on, and the other one is brand new. So let me use the one I'm almost done with first. Get all of that. Get all of that. We don't waste nothing around here. We don't waste nothing. That might be a little bit too much gel for this little small section, but I'ma slap it on there. So this gel is very light. You know, it's not super heavy, but I feel like it still provides a good hold, you know? Ooh. These curls are percolating, honey, in the back. Child, them things is percolating. Yo, I know everyone's hair isn't the same, but I promise you, for me and my hair on my scalp, I can always tell a difference in my hair if I'm applying the products to soaking wet hair. Like if I apply the products to soaking wet hair, sorry, y'all, was like a little natty here or something. But anyway, if I apply the products to soaking wet hair, baby, my hair is going to be on point. Like not damp, not moist, soaking wet hair. It has to be soaking wet, and then my hair just flourishes. It flourishes, honey. Okay, y'all, so in my head, what I'm going for is like, you know, I want the slick front or whatever, but I want the back to be, like, I don't want my back to be so defined that it's flat to my head. Like, I want a little frizz so I can be like, you know, just this you know, y'all know what I'm trying to say. So it could just be, it can be. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. So I'm hoping that's what's gonna happen. I'm hoping. That's why I'm not really looking for a, you know, a heavy gel or a gel with a super strong hold, because that's not the look I'm going for right now, like, you know. So I'm just going through with the hydrating cream again on the next section. Gotta rake it through, honey. Then get this gel. Okay. Y'all, one thing about me, when I do my hair, I'm gonna have product going everywhere. Like, I just hear the product just drop it on the floor in like big old drops, just bloop, bloop. Like, I got so much product on this dang carpet, but oh well. Oh well. Child, I'm even getting it on my bed, honey. But it's alright. I can wash them sheets. I can wash the sheets.
Aren't you sick of being curious? Don't you wanna know about me? Don't you wanna know about me? Thinking about you all damn day. There's so much I want to say to you. Hey, come inside. The water feels fine. Aren't you sick of being curious? Don't you wanna know about me?
Alright, so now that my hair is styled or whatever, now I need to go and work on the front. Y'all, I'm hoping I don't mess this up, like, you know, disrupt my curls or whatever, but I guess I gotta do what I gotta do. So I think I want a diagonal part. I probably should have did this before I started styling, but alright, that's good. So this is my part. I'm just gonna start combing it. I'm just gonna put it behind my ear for now. And then do the same for this side. Okay, yeah. We on to something, we on to something. And then brush it too. And just put that behind my ear, because to make sure that it stays, I'm going to use some rubber bands and put those little extra pieces that's behind my ear into a ponytail, you know, like below my hair. But before I do that, y'all, why do I feel like I'm all over the place? Just to make sure everything stays, let me get my gots to be on my hair. Alright, so this piece, and where's that other piece? Is this it? Alright. So I need to put this. Oops. Do y'all hear Storm? I don't know if y'all can hear him. He over here moaning in his sleep, child. Or groaning, moaning, groaning, something. Alright, so let me get this rubber band. I gotta lean back like this so the other hair won't get into it. Ooh, child. Okay. Y'all, hopefully this part up front stays slick. I'm about to go ahead and sit up under the dryer, so hopefully it'll like set, you know. You know, it's looking cute now, but it's too close to my head. I need it to, you know, I want it to get a little bit bigger. So that's why I'm thinking day 2, like tomorrow it's going to be where I want it to be, like maybe day 2, day 3. Hopefully day 2, because I'm trying to go ahead and take this picture tomorrow and just be through with it. But yeah, this is what it's looking like so far, so let me come back to you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Y'all, I don't know what I was talking about when I said Treluxe got a light hold, because honey, ain't nothing light about these curls, child. This joint is the fine, honey. It is the fine. I guess I confused myself because first of all, I've used Treluxe plenty of times, so I don't know what I was thinking, but I think I confused myself because I was just thinking about the gel, because the gel, don't get it twisted, the gel is a very lightweight gel, but I think I forgot about the power of this hydrating cream, because it even says on itself, what it say? Let me find it. Okay, yeah, so it says apply product liberally for a tighter hold or conservatively for a lighter hold. And y'all, I was slapping this product on, so I think it was this hydrating cream that gave me this, you know, this hold, this definition. Cause baby, you see him? Like, look at this in the back, child. Look at that. Boop. It is. Look, 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 look. Boop. You see what I'm saying? I was tripping. These curls, these little bitty bees in the back is popping. But yeah, let me go ahead and take my hair out of this pineapple. This is how I went to sleep last night. My little front is going up a little bit on the sides, like right here it's frizzing up a little, but it's alright, it's alright. So let me take this down, see what it's looking like. Okay, give me little spider legs at the top from where my pineapple was. Don't they look like little spider legs right there? But okay, okay. Y'all, if y'all hear Storm back there crying, it's because I got the door closed and he mad he can't get in. Well, he can get in because I had this door cracked. But Storm wants to go through a specific door. He wants to go through this door. So since this door is closed, he freaking out. Yo, she cute. She cute for real. Boom, boom. I feel like this is cute. This is cute. I feel like day 3 or day 4 will probably give me what I'm really looking for, but I ain't got time for all that. I need to take this picture now. But yeah, this is cute. Look at the definition. Look at it. I do have a gel cast. I ain't gonna lie to you. It is a little crunchy, but you know, I like a good gel cast. That don't bother me because that's how I know that this wash and go gonna last, honey. You feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna let it sit. The gravity is gonna help it calm down. I feel like that pineapple still has it wanting to go up, but let it chill for a second. Let gravity do its job. It'll calm down. I wonder if I should put like some little bobby pins. Where my gold bobby pins at? I think these bobby pins might be too long for this section. How I feel about it, y'all? How I feel about it? I don't know. You can't even see them. I guess I put 2 on this side and 2 on this side, maybe, just to give it a little razzmatazz. Child, you can barely see these bobby pins, but that's alright. I know they do. I know. Should I keep them or what? I don't know how I feel about it. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave them there for right now. I don't know how I feel about it. I still need to, like, I don't like the way my hair is laying on this side. Like, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I give some time, but my hair is cute. It's cute. I just don't like the way it's laying. And then I might need to bobby pin some stuff down, bobby pin some stuff up, you know, make it lay the way I want it to. I don't know, y'all, I'll figure it out. But anyway, that's all I got. I ain't got no more, honey. I ain't got no more. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video if you care. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
I'm sick of being curious. Best believe I'd find a way to get you here, so won't you stay?